Is Floki a top 5 meme coin still, or is there better options out there? That's what we're going to be talking in today's video. Hey guys, Foxy is trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys. And today we are talking about Floki. Floki, depends on how you say it. Basically, it is a take on Shiba Inu as a Viking. It used to also be called Floki Inu until they rebranded to just Floki. So we're going to be looking at some of the things they are doing, some news. We're going to break down market structure, and then we're going to call it a day for today's video. So some of the things they are doing, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good what they're doing. I like what I've been seeing. So the first thing is Valhalla tournament. I chose this first as a gamer, and seeing that it is a pretty big prize pool, 155,000 in Floki. I know it's in Floki, but still, that is a lot to go around, right? Grand prize of 50K. I mean, that's pretty good. Valhalla used to be a pretty big game, so seeing that they are sponsoring a tournament, or maybe even making their own tournament, it's good to see, right? So then we have a Floki ETF. So ETP, sorry, I don't know why I said it like that. The first Floki ETP is now live in Europe, making Floki the first and only BNB chain project to secure an ETP listing, besides BNB itself. A big feat, especially as it coincides with BNB season. Okay, so this is a good testament for Floki, right? As they say, it is a milestone for rapidly accelerating adoption and marks the first of many regulated projects. So we will see how this continues into the future. It could be very interesting, especially if more things like this happen, if more adoptions in the real marketplace do come out. And if they do, I will most definitely be updating you guys on that and explaining them in future videos. They have also partnered with Water Well. They're basically making two new water wells, clean drinking water. It's good to see, you know, they are providing back to the world, back to the community. That is what you want to see from projects. What else do we have? We have 5-year celebration, right? So as part of BNB Day, organized community campaigns where participants support builders, explore the ecosystem, and completed quests to earn rewards, right? So they celebrated a little reward, gave away $4,000, once again, giving back to the community. And then the last thing, which also with the Valhalla, is a giveaway, another $3,000 in prizes, 30 winners, 100 each, all of the winners right here, right? So they are doing many things for the community. It is even more than some other cryptos out there, so it is very good to see. Also, something I forgot to talk about in the beginning, this doesn't really matter that much, but you can see they have been on MTV, have been on Fox Sports, Discovery was coming up, and their website is very clean. I enjoy that a lot. I like when people take pride in their websites. So Floki is down 5% in the last 1 day, 29% in the last 7 days. That is mainly because of manipulation. I will explain that to you guys when I break down market structure in literally just 1 minute. So it's down in market cap, down in volume. Also, it is on many big exchanges, right? Pretty much all of the big ones. Maybe there is a few more that we are still waiting for. And we are 83% community bullish, right? So you guys are supporting Floki. I would like to see it at 90%, but 83 is still pretty good. So I am not personally a holder of Floki yet. That can always change, right? I have a few other meme coins, but I'm always down to diversify my portfolio, right? And the reason I'm making a video today is because I see a buying opportunity, right? So we have this major imbalance in price. We can see how many times price has been in this zone, and it's been holding, right? And this wick was just a manipulation. I'm covering in every single video. Basically, they just liquidated everybody that had stops under here, right? They just liquidated the market, kind of like a reset to the market. So I might be buying, and that might happen if we close above this area, right? So if we close somewhere above here, I might take a small bag for an entry and aim for a target of these highs right here, right? So 200%, that's about a 3x. If you got in from here, you're looking at 315%. That's a what, 4.15x. You know, so the gains are relatively good, right? And I don't think Floki is going anywhere. We've seen how they've been in the lows before and then just shot up, right? And we are kind of in the lows now. We are following this over here in a smaller section over here, and I am expecting a push to the upside to go to these areas once again, right? And if that happens, 3-4x maybe of my money, that won't be a bad return at all. So that is my long-term view. For short-term, I will keep you guys updated. We are looking not bad, making higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. So we are in a little bit of a bullish trend. Whoa, if you can see that, right? A little bit of bullishness. So that is good to see. And yeah, I'll be updating you guys on any short-term plays that I have, any views. Let me know if you want to see more videos on Floki. Leave a like, comment if you're in the coin, if you like the coin, subscribe. It means absolutely a lot to me. And make sure you guys do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.